Hello, boys and girls. Good morning. My name is Rakhi Sharma. I have three more members in the family. My mother's name is Janki Sharma. My daughter's name is Astrid Sharma. And her dad's name is George Gomez. I have six birds, one dog, and their names are Angel, Princess, Tiki, Yuna, Aqua, Lemon, and Lisa. These are all nouns, a word used to identify any types of class of people, place, or things. Let me tell you more about myself and my family. My mother is 80 years old. She's at home spending time with my daughter. She is in grade 11 and goes to school. Her dad goes to work and also plays soccer. Let's play a game. The first two rows will become partners and the last two rows will become partners. So let's play an interesting game, which will be I will be giving you 30 seconds. You have pen and paper, a pencil on your table, and use it at your discreet. Ask each other's names, write them down, then ask where they work, what they do, write that down, and we will discuss about it. So, what have you asked each other? So, boys and girls, we will learn about reported speech and reported verb. What's a reported speech? A reported speech is when we tell someone what another person said. For example, he said, I love you. It's in quotes and it becomes a reported speech. What's a reported verb? A verb used to indicate how something is being conveyed. For example, she said that she will be late. That becomes a reported verb. Now let's play a game about this. Ask your partners, what game do you play? And write it on your sheets. That is a noun. Now, it becomes a reported speech when you put the sentence as it is. I like to play soccer. That becomes your reported speech. Reported verb would be when I ask you, what did your partner tell you? You will tell me, my partner said she likes to play soccer. That becomes a reporting verb. Okay, boys and girls, let's go into details of types of nouns. How many types of nouns are there? There's common noun, proper noun, collective noun, compound noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. So, what's the definition of all of these? A common noun is a noun that refers to people or things in general. For example, a car, dog, or a chair. Proper noun is a noun that identifies a particular person, place, or a thing. In written English, proper nouns begin with a capital letter, always. Richard, London, for example, Richard, London, and January. What is a collective noun? A collective noun is a noun that refers to groups of people or things. For example, team, choir, or an army. What is a compound noun? Nouns that refer to two or more compound nouns are nouns that refers to two or more nouns combined to form a single noun. For example, a schoolboy. A schoolboy orange juice, cheesecake. What's a concrete noun? That refers to people and things that exist physically and can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. For example, time, friendship, and love. And then comes countable noun. Countable nouns are nouns that have a singular and a plural form. In plural, these nouns can be used with a number, they can be counted. For examples, apples, house, and books. What's an uncountable noun? Nouns that can only be a singular, that they cannot be counted at all. For example, money. How much money? If you don't count, if you cannot count it and you don't have an specific amount, it's money. Then it's uncountable. Water. Water in general, you cannot count it. Coffee. In general, you cannot count it. Let's learn about what is reported speech and direct speech. Reported speech is when we tell someone what another person said. It can be direct speech or indirect speech. Direct would be he said, I love you, in quotes. What is a reported verb? A verb used to indicate how something is being conveyed. For example, she said that she will be late. Boys and girls, so we will learn about reported speech and reported verb today. What is a reported speech? When we tell someone what another person said, say for example, I love you, right here, say I love you, quote unquote, that's a reported speech. What's a reported verb? When the second person tells about this first person in a sentence, for example, she said that she will be late. She said that she will be late. That's a reporting verb. Now let's play a game about this also. So you're going to ask your partner, what game do you like? Or what do you do? And you're going to, when you get an answer, you write that down on the paper. That's your either a reported speech or a reported verb. When you write it down, when the person says, oh, I play soccer, that will become your reported verb. So, grade 8, there is a little homework. I have designed a little interview sheet that the students will take home. It's the number 1, form number 1. You have to fill it out. You can go home and interview either your family members, friends, or relatives and fill this out. You will put your group's name and your name, and you will put your school name. Then you will put the first question will be answered. What is your name? And you will put it down. Mine, I have answered as my name is Rakhi Sharma. Then you will ask the question number 2, what's your dad's name or your mom's name? Then it will be question number 3, where does your mom or dad work? And where were you born? So you will collect data and bring it to school tomorrow. There's another sheet that is a sample sheet that you can check for your reference. Another one which says what's your name, What is your name? What is your workplace? Where is it situated? Where do you work? How much money do you earn? What is your job title? And what did your mother work as before when she retired? This is the sample sheet that I have for you to see. It will be on the Google class, and follow the instructions, fill it out, bring some, each person brings at least 5 or 6 or 4, whatever you can get, some data, and then we will work on it. Next is a little worksheet homework on activity 1, which says you have to identify the nouns. There's 10 sentences and you just have to identify. There's activity 2 that says identify reported speech from direct speech. This also has about 7 sentences and it's very easy. So just do a little bit of work and we should have fun tomorrow with our interview sheets. Have a good night. Bye.